This is another issue I run into a lot. Like,
Doesn't.
it's almost like they're kink. If you pull the bar up enough, you can adjust it to slide on. But it's, and then a lot of times, even coming down on the bar, well, that one's not catching too bad. So that one is actually not too bad, but I'm getting a lot of just pinching in here
Yeah.
to where I almost have to smash the top to get it on.
Okay.
And then,
That's where you're saying it's almost like this is kind of skewed.
yeah, like
One way
it's just tweaked. And then the top's even, like this top's pretty, this one isn't as bad a lot, but it's sitting just
Not
twisted.
rusty either.
Yeah. This one could actually be my top on there. This one doesn't look terrible, but some of them are like, I mean, almost a 1/4 inch off from one side to the other. And then it's just hitting hard on that side. Let me tighten this up and see how this looks. And I can't actually tighten these very far because it tweaks everything to where this will lock into. So I don't know what's causing that, but so I have to just kind of snug them down. I can't go very tight. Obviously, you don't want to go super tight, but
Right.
But this is where it's getting caught when you're flipping that back up or down. You're saying
yeah.
it's
So
catching
this
on.
one, like it'll go up usually, then you go to come down, and this catches a little bit, but it's not bad at all.
Yeah.
But sometimes you'll come, you can't. You'll have to hit it with a hammer to knock it down, which will stretch out your coil spring on the inside of the mechanism, and then it's breaking these springs too, obviously.